Magandang umaga sa lahat. Continuation po ito sa circle equation na last video ko. That is a part 2. So, first example, write the general equation of a circle that is tangent to the x-axis with a center located at 4 and negative 6. Okay, makikita ninyo dito sa graph ko sa circle. So, ang center niya is positive 4 sa x, ang y is negative 6, no? Then that is tangent to the x-axis. So, tangent siya. So, nag-touch siya sa x-axis. So, ano yung radius niya? Ito ang radius. Perpendicular siya sa x-axis. Ano yung radius niya? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6. No? 6 ang radius. So, based in the formula, x plus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared, radius. Ano yung a? That is 4. Center. Ang b mo is negative, that is positive 6. Ang r mo is 6 squared. Okay? So, x minus 4 squared plus y plus 6 squared equals to 36. Okay, that is a general equation. Okay, second example. What is the area of a circle with a radius of 3 units? So, ano yung formula sa circle? A pi r squared. So, pi, radius mo is 3 squared. That is pi 9 or 9 pi units square units. Okay. Example number 3. We have a graph. The center is 2 sa x and 1 sa y, positive. So, construct the equation. So, paano natin kunin yung radius? So, ang radius niya is transient siya dito sa y. So, ano ang radius dito? R. So, gikan sa 2. So, 2 ang radius. Yung sa formula, x minus a, y minus b, squared, r squared. Diba? Kung x, so ang sa x is 2 squared plus y 1. Tapos yung r mo is 2 squared. So ang general equation natin is x minus 2 squared plus plus pa to, y plus 1 negative pala to, negative minus 1 equals 4. Okay. Okay, number 4 example. Write the equation of a circle whose center is negative 4 and 8 and passes through the point negative 2, negative 1. Okay, so hindi given yung radius. So we solve muna ang radius. No? Sa formula, x minus a squared plus y minus b squared r squared. So anong x natin? X passes through the point. So ito ang x. Negative 2. Tapos ang a natin is yung center. Negative of negative, that is positive. 4. Squared. Plus ang y natin is negative 1. Ang center sa y is negative 8. Okay. So minus 2 plus 4, that is 2 squared plus, that is negative 9 squared r squared. So 4 81 r squared. So that is 85 r squared. Okay, so equation of a circle. So x minus, again na to is positive, 2 plus 4 squared plus ang y natin is minus 8. Ito sa center ha. Tapos r squared. So ang r squared natin is nakukuha na natin. So x plus 4, 2 plus y minus 8 squared r squared, that is 85. Okay. Okay, sa next example, find the equation x squared minus 9x plus y squared equals 4.75. So separate natin yung x squared minus y 9x plus, hindi, walang pares yung y, so y squared pa rin. So paano natin para perfect square? So x squared minus 9x plus 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5, no? 4.5 squared. Yeah, 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5. So squared natin 20.25. Okay, so 20.25 plus y squared equals, copy yung 4.75 plus 20.25. Okay, so ano ang square dito? So x minus 4.5 squared, diba? Plus y squared, ito 25. Okay, okay, that's all for today. I'll see you on my next videos. Please subscribe.